payday. Your salary hits your account, and for one brief moment, you feel rich. Finally, some breathing room. Maybe this month will be different. But then the end of the month arrives, and somehow, it's all gone. Bills, groceries, that random online purchase you forgot about. And your savings? Zero. Again. Here's the system most people follow without realizing it. Earn money, pay bills, spend on daily life, save whatever's left. Sounds logical, except there's one massive problem. There is never anything left. Money doesn't flow towards savings on its own. It flows towards spending. Every single time. The traditional system is designed to leave your savings empty. So what do wealthy people do differently? They flip the entire order. Earn money, save first, then pay bills and spend the rest. This is called pay yourself first, and it changes everything. The idea is simple. Before you pay your landlord, your electricity bill, your subscriptions, you pay yourself. You treat your savings like it's the most important bill you have, because it is. And here's the key. Don't rely on willpower to save what's left. Willpower always loses to convenience. Instead, make it automatic. Set up a transfer that moves money to savings the moment your salary arrives. Most banks let you schedule automatic transfers on a specific date. Set it to payday, set the amount, and forget it. You never see the money, so you never spend it. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your future. The difference over time is staggering. Someone who saves whatever's left ends the year with almost nothing. Someone who automatically saves first, even just a fixed amount, ends the year with a real financial cushion. Here's the truth. Nobody says out loud, if you don't pay yourself first, everyone else gets paid instead. Your landlord, your Netflix, your grocery store, they all get paid. You don't. Wealth isn't built in big dramatic moments. It's built in small, consistent, automatic actions, repeated month after month. Like watering a plant. You don't see the growth every day, but one day you look up and it's towering. Here's how to start today. Step 1. Decide your percentage. Even 10% of your income is enough to begin. Step 2. Automate the transfer on payday. Step 3. Never touch it. Treat it like it doesn't exist. The version of you that's financially stressed isn't permanent. It's just the version that hasn't set up this system yet. One small change in the order of how you handle money, and the results look completely different. Pay yourself first, not last, not someday. First, because you work too hard to have nothing to show for it. If this gave you a new way to think about saving, subscribe to RichLogic. We break down the psychology of money in a way that's simple, visual, and actually changes how you think. See you in the next one.